welcome back to my channel Godson Girl and मैं हूँ त्रिशला. So today's video is more different from all my videos. Today I'm going to tell you about the skin remedies ingredients which can harm your skin while you using direct on your face. So I'm going to share 4-5 points about the ingredients which we use direct on our face or without any ingredients. So all these points, some of points I collect from the articles, and some of point are used by my own. So starting with the first point is baking soda. So everyone these days are using baking soda for their whiteheads and blackheads. Baking soda has a chemical which can unbalance your pH level of your skin, and it can damage your skin to create more and more pimples, blackheads and whiteheads. So while you using this baking soda, it can destroy your skin by using direct on your face. So moving to the second point is lemon. Lemon we use for lightening and brightening our skin as a bleach, because lemon has so much content of vitamin C, so it can make your skin easier to get tanning. So if we use lemon direct or without any ingredient, it can causes the tanning problem. Your skin can easier got tanned. So always use lemon with basil or turmeric or with the aloe vera gel, so it can nourish your skin with the right ingredients. The third point is petroleum jelly and baby oil. These have more content of mineral oils, but daily use of the petroleum jelly can contain more and more bacteria on our face. So daily use of petroleum jelly can collect more and more bacteria on our face, and the growth of bacteria can causes the pimple, acne and itchiness on our face. So don't use petroleum jelly on the daily basis. So the fourth point is coconut oil. Coconut oil is good for our skin or hair. Earlier I also used the coconut oil but it can block the open pores on our face, and it can help in growth of blackhead and whiteheads. So some points to be noted while you using home remedies. So first point is always do a patch test. Always do patch test here or backside of your ear. So please take it for the 15 to 20 minutes. Then if you feel burning or itchiness, then wash it and apply moisturizer. And if it is not working, then concern to your doctor. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you feel this video really helpful. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like, then give it a thumbs down. Share your reviews in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is Godson Girl.